Saatnya berpetualangan, datang ke Taman Pelangi. Bersama teman-teman semua, yuk kita saling membantu. Aku punya tas berlari dengan si Joko. Bergegaslah ayo berpetualang. Saatnya
Everyone, so for today's video guys, unboxing time. Nag-order tayo guys ng wallet guys na maaari nating pangregalo guys. Sa murang-mura halaga guys. So, ang SRP niya po is 255 pesos guys. Tara, samahan niyo kami open. Ayan. Meron siya guys sa small size and large size. Ito po. Yan guys. Ito yung small size guys. May pink, may blue. Ang in-order natin is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ilang ng isa? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kulang ng isa guys. Si seller, hindi tayo binigyan. Yan yung in-order ko. Dismaya naman. So, ito guys yung large. As you can see, white. Ito yung large to. Hindi recommendable si seller. Dinugasan tayo ng isa. Ngayon yung in-order ko eh. Nagigil ako. Ito siya guys. Open natin. Ito siya guys. Oh. Ano siya guys? Synthetic leather. So, if you like my video guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to my video. And God bless you all. Bye!
I got so much motherfucking design on right now. Every time, bring it back, every time, I got 3 whole thoughts,